Hello and welcome to this Microsoft Excel tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to use the IFS function in Excel to evaluate multiple conditions easily and efficiently. Let's get started. So here in this data, you can see that we have the employee's name, then we have the departments, after that we have the sales amount, and then we want to add the performance grade based on this grading criteria that if the sales is more than 150,000, then the grade should be excellent. If this sales amount is 120,000, then very good. If it is more than 1 lakh, then it should be good, and if it is less than 1 lakh, then there should be a grade of needs improvement. So based on this criteria, we want to add the performance grade. If we have hundreds and thousands of the employees, then to add manual grade is impossible. I am just explaining this with the help of this short data so that you can further apply it on your big data as well. So for example, if we want to add the grade for the first employee, so now I will write equal IFS, and then I have to provide the first logical test. So I'll select this C2 cell. I'll write the logical test that if this amount is greater than or equal to 150,000, then there should be written excellent. So I'll write excellent in the inverted quotes. To add another condition, I'll put comma, and then I will write the second condition that if the same amount is greater than or equal to 120,000, then the grade should be very good. After this, the third condition that if this sales amount is greater than or equal to 1 lakh, then the grade should be good. And after that, the last condition that if the same sales amount is less than 1 lakh, then the grade will be needs improvement. After giving all the criterias, I will close the parentheses and hit enter. Now to apply this to all the other employees, I'll just bring my cursor to the bottom right corner and double click it. So you see, with simple click, I have calculated the performance grade of all the employees. So this is how you can use the IFS function to handle multiple conditions in Excel without nested IFS. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to KnowHow for more Excel tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you next time.